Imagine waking up one day with a splitting headache. You search for a painkiller, take it, and feel relief. Or maybe you catch the flu. You rush to the doctor, get your medicine, and after a few days, you recover. And even with all this, sometimes recovery is tough. But what if I told you there's a people living in one of the harshest places on Earth, with no doctors, no hospitals, and no modern medicine? Meet the Inuit. They battle illness using methods that might seem unbelievable to us. Yet, they survive. Welcome to Curious Minds. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. When the Inuit catch a cold or suffer from a headache, there's no pharmacy nearby, no doctor to prescribe medicine. So how do they cope? The key is staying warm. They wrap themselves in thick seal skins, stay inside their igloos, and drink plenty of warm liquids. Animal fat isn't just food, it's medicine. They rub seal or whale oil on their chests and bodies, creating a natural barrier that keeps them warm. To relieve nasal congestion or chest infections, they inhale steam infused with rare sea herbs, a natural way to clear airways. Even their breathing is adapted. They breathe slowly through their noses, allowing the air to warm up before reaching their lungs, reducing the risk of respiratory infections. But what if things get worse? What if someone gets seriously ill, like pneumonia or a broken bone? Despite the Arctic's barren landscape, nature provides remedies. Certain seaweeds have antibacterial properties, frozen moss is used to treat infections, and they chew rare plant roots to lower fever. For bruises or severe swelling, they apply ice directly to the affected area, just like modern cold compresses, but the Inuit way. If someone breaks a bone, they create a splint using animal bones and leather straps, securing the fracture until it heals. And recovery isn't a solo journey. The entire family pitches in, bringing food and water and caring for the sick until they're well again. But what if they need a hospital? Sometimes an illness is too severe for traditional remedies. In life-threatening situations, the whole tribe works together to transport the patient to the nearest hospital, often hundreds of kilometers away. They place them on a sled pulled by dogs or use boats to reach the closest town. It's a dangerous journey, but it's their only chance for modern treatment. Some modern Inuit communities even have solar-powered radios to call for emergency airlifts in critical cases. We might think life without medicine or doctors is impossible, but the Inuit have proven otherwise. They rely on their bodies, their food, and their community. That's how they survive. Could you last even one day living like this? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.